Hey everyone! Today I am going to draw and color beautiful makeup lipsticks step by step. Let's start drawing. So my little friends, let's start drawing. First I'll do it exactly like this. You can do it too. I will draw 2 lines on both sides and connect them at the bottom. I'm drawing a beautiful heart right in the middle of this. Little friends, now I'm drawing a cum-cum next to it. Do the same thing I'm drawing. And I'm drawing a beautiful flower in the middle of it. I'm drawing another lipstick next to it, just like before. I'll design a lip right in the middle of it. Great! Now I am going to this black marker to make this beautiful drawing more visible. Let's start coloring. Its first color is pink. This time it's green. This time I am using red color. I will give red color here too. Now I will give it yellow color. And this is the sky blue color. Color. I am giving Kian color in the lip. Dark pink color. So friends, the drawing is complete. If you like the train, be sure to like, share, subscribe, and watch the video later. Bye-bye.